because this is where the X70 really separates itself from a traditional toilet. In addition to that powerful dual action flush, this thing takes a multi-layered approach to keeping everything sanitary, and it goes way beyond what you can do with just a brush and a bottle of cleaner. The water itself gets filtered and sterilized before it ever enters the bowl or touches you. The water enters a 3-stage filtration system for a rigorous physical filtration process. Stage 1 is the filter mesh, filters out large impurities and coarse sediment. The second stage is a fine filter, removing fine sand, parasite eggs, and other small particles. And the third stage is a precision filter plus scale inhibitor. It filters out even finer sediment and rust, and also contains a scale inhibitor. We're talking about UV sterilization and electrolyzed water, the same kind of disinfectant used in hospitals, working together to eliminate bacteria and viruses without the harsh chemicals that you would ordinarily have to use. The stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle sterilizes itself with UV as well. And then there's the hygienic foam shield, basically a layer of micro bubbles that lines the bowl. It prevents splashes, keeps waste from sticking, and helps cut down on odors. There's also a pre-wet feature that glazes the bowl before each use, so cleanup is practically effortless. I never really thought of my old toilet as being unsanitary. We did a great job of keeping it clean, but this just operates on a completely different level.